Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start at the jamb, check hinge screws and door alignment so the latch seats. Once done, operate the thumb turn and key slowly to feel where it binds. Remove strike plate screws just enough to see the bolt path and shine a flashlight into the mortise. You want to observe metal burrs, debris, or a misaligned hole. Make sure you have basic tools and lubricant ready, because you will act on any obstruction or loose fastener immediately. You now remove the handle and faceplate to access the latch. Place screws in order so reassembly is smooth. Once opened, examine the latch. Look for worn springs, a bent tailpiece, or metal shards that prevent full retraction. If the latch rotates freely by hand, the problem is alignment. If not, you likely need a replacement latch mechanism. Then clean and lubricate moving parts. Make sure to cycle the bolt several times so you can verify smoother operation before closing the door back up. You finish by adjusting the strike plate. Loosen screws and slide it slightly, then tighten and test. File the mortise a millimeter or two where the bolt catches. If hardware is visibly worn, replace the latch or cylinder and retest with all keys to confirm reliable operation. Once done, reassemble and run several lock cycles. If the lock still fails, consider door warp, shim hinges, or consult a locksmith. A final tip: when
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.